Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Please, welcome, and you can drop your name and where you're joining us from. You can drop your name and where you're joining us from. Good evening, Olusam. Where are you joining us from? El Elogio from FCT. Welcome. Olusam from Lagos. Welcome. Ah, can everybody see my screen? Abi is only blessing gift. I cannot see my screen. Good evening, Ogochukulinda, my lovely sister. Good evening. Good evening, my sister. Good evening, ma. All right. Welcome, welcome. Let's just give them like 2 minutes before we kick off. Good evening. Welcome, 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 welcome. Okay, all right. It's fine, guys. Let's kick off. The live session is all about what do I put? The live session is all about let's analyze the chart. You ask me questions. Any pair that you want us to analyze, you can always can always drop it here and we'll analyze it together. You understand? So let's start right away. So I'll be looking at this is my watch list here. VIX 100, VIX 75, VIX 10, and VIX 25. These are the pairs I trade mainly. So let's start from VIX 100. Meanwhile, if you have any pair, I will analyze it. So VIX 100, as you can see, is on a downtrend. Has been on a consistent downtrend. And they were saying it here should be taken out. Which targets here, then next here is VIX 100. So I'm going down to 1 hour time frame because this we know is a downtrend. Go down to smaller time frame to look for our pattern. Like I always say, our pattern is liquidity based strategy. Whereby we see something just this basic pattern. Or we enter from please, if you are following me, can you type one in the chat box? Let me be sure you guys are following me. I'm still here. I'm still here. So if you are following me, it's okay. I've already seen one on the chat box. I've seen one. Let me continue. So as you know, this is our pattern. This is what we trade. You get. So let's look out for that on the chart. Go down to 1 hour time frame. From 1 hour time frame, I'm not seeing any significant structure here. 'Cause all these are equal lows. Sorry, equal highs. So there is no significant structure here. Check 30 minutes. So nothing for here, nothing here. Nothing here. I'm not seeing anything here. In as much as I know it will sell, but I'm not seeing any of my structure here, any of my pattern here, so I'm leaving it. Let me go back to VIX 75. All right, 75. Yeah, 25. I think. Let me show you something from 24 hours time frame. From 75. Last time we analyzed it, if you can check our previous video, our previous live session, you can hear you must have heard me say that this will react from here. And so far, you see what it has moved. So now, um, let me show you something. Trend has changed. The trend line liquidity. So I expect this guy push up here, push up at least back into here. But then we are looking for our pattern, right? On 1 hour time frame. Now we break of structure here. No pattern here too. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything. If you ask me what am I even looking for, what I'm looking for here, something like this. Sweep then price come. You don't feel that block up this other block here and push up. So this is what I'm looking at, and I haven't seen any of it. Or can you see anyone? None actually. So we'll leave it. On to the next. Then over to this guy. This guy ate my stop loss. I lost money on VIX 10 this morning. I wanted to place the entry from here. I saw this, so I tried to take an entry here, but price stopped my stop loss and came for this other block here. So for now, I'm looking at price coming back to here, which seems impossible. But for now, I don't have anything of this style. Yeah, let's kind of learn from 10% drop. Let's do that for that. If it's a price up to the consent dropping. Let's watch out for this. Once it comes here, wait for formation of like M pattern on M15 before it starts selling. That's what VIX 10. I don't know whether it gets me. Please, if you're understanding me, please, Abi, am I talking to myself? If you are getting what I'm saying, please just type one on the chat box again. All right, please, if you're here, please can you just like this video? Like, just like the live stream, like it on your YouTube. Just like it, please. Can you just do me that favor before we continue? Remember, if you have any setup you would like me to analyze for you, you can always drop it. I'm still here with you guys. So, as I was saying, please, can you like the video? Just like it. Okay, let me continue what I'm saying. So, like I said, this week then I expect it to come up here. I lost money here, so I expect it to come up here then before the sale continues. You understand? So that's the setup I have on VIX10. So make sure you don't miss this VIX10. Okay, Nafisa have a question. She said, can I enter my trade on 4 hour time frame without going to a lower time frame? What's the implication if entering a higher time frame? Okay, see the thing now. You can enter a trade from higher time frame, but the thing here is your stop loss. Your stop loss tends to be higher when you enter from a higher time frame. So why you break it down to a smaller time frame is for you to get a very sniper entry and a good stop loss too. That's the reason. That's the reason you enter from a lower time frame. If you are meant to risk, um, if your $100 risk was meant to be five lot size, on a higher time frame, the $100 risk will now be one lot because of the end. So that's why. So I don't know that you understand what I'm saying, Nafisat. If you have questions, I ask you. And if you have any pair you want me to analyze, you can always drop it. So this is what I have here for things. with 10, let me tell you for with 25. Don't miss this page. Last week I dropped with 25 and the setup played out. Some of you did not take advantage of it. With 25 here, in an uptrend, the guy is pushing, 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 pushing. So now see the setup I'm seeing here on with 25. So you can see there is a sweep here. So this order block is valid. So taking a buy from here won't be bad of the 25 because price is still an uptrend. Target one is to 3. So that's what I'm seeing on this 25. Uh, Peter Conway say what of price respecting the bearish order block? Is he in which of the pairs? Is it weeks 25 or weeks 10? Which one? Please clarify me. Okay, Emmanuel Oluwatobi said, can you explain fib retracement and how to use it? All right, I'll do that immediately. So Peter Conway, can you clarify me, please? So these two called fib retracement tool. The full name is Fibonacci retracement. So Fibonacci retracement, that's the full meaning. So what it does is it is used to know the place where price will retrace to before it continues moving. So Fibonacci retracement tool can only be used in a trending market. Only when price is moving up and only when price is going down. So Fibonacci tool is for a trending market. Then how to use the Fibonacci tool? Fibonacci tool, like I said, is used to determine the retracement where price will get to before it continues moving. Let's take for example, this is a downtrend, right? This thing I see here is a downtrend. So I want to know the retracement of this move before the impulse. I'll pick this retracement, draw it, extend it down to here. I pick and draw it down to here. So I should be looking at 0.618 and 0.50 because that's where literally price retraced. So you'll be anticipating price to retrace to here before it continues falling. That's the retracement. So you just I actually use that an external confirmation trade. Don't just treat based only on Fibonacci retracement. I don't know whether you understand me, Emmanuel Oluwatobi. I don't know whether that's for you. Then Nafisat Mohammed asked the question: can you trade from 30 minutes without analyzing from higher time frame? Nafisat, I would advise you to really do top-down analysis when you want to place a trade. 'Cause, um, just analyzing from using one time frame to analyze can be dangerous and can make you to lose your money. So it's advisable to analyze from the top to the down. I don't know whether you understand me. So any other question before we call it a day? So I've analyzed everything I have here. I've told you what I'm looking out of this. Then you understand. This is what I'm looking out of. Then that's the setup we got here. And okay, this is fine. So that's if you have any question, you can ask me before we call it a day. Okay. To learn from me is $100. Yeah, $100. But you can only join our live session, live session if you don't have it to pay. Only join here. I'll teach you. Um, but you just did for VIX 25 for 30 minutes. Okay, let me explain to you that analysis with 25. All right, I like your question, Nafisat. Nafisat, so see from 24 hours, we knew that this thing is an uptrend. So I'm not just doing 30 minutes just like that. This is an uptrend from 24 hours. So I'm going down to 1 hour time frame to look for this pattern I told you about. This pattern. Because of I've checked this something like this. So that's what I looked out for here. I can even draw it like this. And you get me to look out for this pattern. That's what I did, not necessarily just going straight to 30 minutes time frame. So I don't really understand me Nafisat. So make sure you're in the WhatsApp community or the Telegram community. As I'll drop that list, there's a bot that can help you make money on autopilot, even if you don't know how to trade and you don't have time to trade. This is an opportunity for you to make money in dollars. So that's it. If you have any question, you can drop before we call it a day. Then I don't know. I said help me like this video. This is our live video, but no one did. Just my own like. Why? That's bad now. Any question before we call it a day? So, can I get your comments on this class? If you're able to gain value from the class, type 5. If you gain value, if you gain value from the class, just type 5. Some said, I've analyzed this VIX 25 before. Okay, when you analyze, what did you see from it? All right, no problem. You have my number now. You have my WhatsApp. Like, you can always send it to me. And I'll check it out for you. So, keep trading. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Like every other business, it takes time. And there are some bad days, and there are good days. But the best thing is you have to know is that the market will always reward your consistency. So just keep at it. It's not easy. Like every other business, one is not easy. But as long as you stay through, you eventually make money. So don't give up. Keep at it. No matter the loss you take, keep at it. Only when you lose is when you give up. Trading can give you a lot of money, and you can lose a lot of money from that. So seek proper knowledge before you put your hard earned money into the market. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you. So we're going to call it a day. I don't even see any signs on the distance. I said, did if you gain value from this class, like type one on the chat box. Thank you, El Logio. Thank you, my brother. If you gain value, type one on the chat box. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my lovely sister. My blood, my Ademola, Demodi, my bro, my brother. All right, to call it a day. Good night. Have a wonderful week. God bless you. Thank you for showing up.